come these ones are already banned?
Nyera tosanga omusajja omunene alina amakage atugogoba ababbi bali wabweru ayogera mu kamoli abanga abayita muve waawo rasta kikitosi mugamba ye rasta kyekuma nati nina cramps mugamba ye
mubera muloti munoyansi mu research etabiri no bitu what are you talking about
Tumuhendo, find me in the banana plantation. If you don't want, you leave Maziwe. Simple.
Wednesday ya weekend, you are any travel magazine. Na NES TV always.
Surprise. A round of applause for our MC tonight, Clotilda. She's an amazing lady. Her color is the only reason I'm going to marry Mzungu. I don't want my children to smile in future and you think it's a zebra crossing. No. Shouldn't happen. You know, the moment I come to Kampala, the moment I start enjoying Kampala, something very bad happens to me. Like recently I found an advert, they were looking for actors and actresses. Guys who can be in a Ugandan soap. Nice looking guys, ladies. I knew I'm the Salvador of that movie. I went there. The moment I reached the auditions, guys became excited. They were like, wow, wonderful, look at this guy. The role of the Ascar is now covered. Very bad. But at least now, sometimes I enjoy, when you say Ascaris, I am now enjoying the benefits. Yesterday I went to pick passport forms from internal affairs. Now I met this Ascari who is so tough on guys, everyone who comes. The guy comes to the machine, you're like, what is that? Like a pen, put it in the basket, the guy puts it there. Go back. Then the guy came, he came back again, like, what is that? It's like a belt, remove the belt, go back. I came back, the guys came back. Now me when I showed up, the guy just started laughing like, hello, you guys have disappeared from the village. Another guy came in the machine. Where? What is that? Remove it. The pen. Go back. Then he turned to me like, see how I'm disturbing them. Sometimes we enjoy. But you know, Uganda is an interesting country. I know one thing about Uganda, it is the only country every Indian who enters is an investor. A businessman. But you know those countries, when they are deporting you, they don't want to know. Unlike Uganda, they don't want to know. Like they get you, I was watching news, 3 Ugandans were deported from the US. Guys were got and they were like, where's your passport? Like it's at home. And your work permit is like it expired one hour ago. I'm working on it. Like, no, they don't want to know. It expired. Immediately they start calling everyone. NYPD, FBI, CIA, FDC, NRM. They call everything. They bring you back home. But in Uganda, the moment you are caught and they want to deport you, just change the accent. Police comes, they're like, hello, my friend, we are investors. Coming to do business here. They forgive. You think it's the investor who made Shimoni get broken. The next day you find the same investor downtown selling power banks. Hello my friend, power bank, original, not from China. Comes with Bluetooth, nail cutter and ballot box. Like everything, we just sell everything. I am loving Uganda, I'm loving this nation. Things have changed a lot, even the education system. Education has changed, kids are having very nice names. Nowadays you go to a school, roll call is like poetry. Very nice names. You wonder which one is the surname, which one is the religious name. Like you walk to a class and then you hear the teacher is like, Skizzy Jordan, present sir. Princess Prosi, present sir. Happy Parent, present sir. Vanessa Tina, present sir. Is there a surname? Me at Akipwa Memorial Church of Uganda Primary School, roll call was like a music studio for upcoming artists. We only needed the beats. DJ first put for me a song. The teacher comes to class. DJ put for me beats there. Teacher comes to class. Popio Odong Ojokara, present sir. Adong Winnie Abua, present sir. Otim Odong, present sir. Ojok Odongara Okudi, present sir. It is like we only miss the beats. Then it's like Bongo Min is like Bombo Clat in a studio. Like everything about our names, you know, education is fun. Me, I love my school stories because at least it is one moment that you had fun. Like when you go, even so many things that happen, kids nowadays know what that they are not supposed to know. Like you meet a kid in P1, ask questions, you will get the answers. Like, hello, what is your name? It's like, my name is Letitia. Oh, Letitia, which class are you in? I'm in P1. It is wonderful. I'm in P1. Oh, that is wonderful. So what is your teacher's name? Like we have teacher Peace, we have teacher Betty, we have teacher Mary. But I like teacher Peace because she looks like Winnie Nwaji. Like a kid is in P1. She now knows all those things. For us, P4, by P4 we had 3 statements that if a visitor changed one word, you would get lost. Like they told us, the teacher comes, is like, what is your name? You know my name is Okelo Joshua. What is your father's name? My father's name is Ojok Jimmy. And the most important statement, you raise up your hand if you want to get out. Excuse me teacher, may I go for short call? Now everyone knew that. One time I was walking in the compound, an invigilator, you know these guys who come to supervise exams. He was asking me the same questions, but he just changed some words. He's like, may I know who you are? I was like, sir, they didn't teach us that way. Then he was like, oh, so where is the headmaster's office? I was like, sir, that topic, they teach it in B7. Now the teacher was passing by, like, stupid boy, we taught that one also. Like, they don't know. I realized the guy is making my life hard. I raised up my hand. Excuse me, sir, may I go for short call? Everything is crammed.
Ekisinga okumenyera ddala ekintu kyennyinako obusungu bana music wafaafu akyukidde ddala music akyuse bana twalinanga ennyimba edda twalinanga ennyimba ennungi banangebakuba akayimba waliwo biyimba soko nkonera akayimba wakakadde selecta waliwo akayimba kwawuliranga n'ogamba kyekyo konera akayimba kakadde kaddaawo sabula situla sound
ate n'ababuyimba nga babanga nga balina live
wulira mubujjukira obuyimba obwo
owulira ekigambo kyatandisa
okayimba buyimbi omwana n'agira ati mutuku ng'alaba laafu ejja mwana agusayo mutima mulungi obuyimba nga buno kona akayimba selecta kona akayimba obuyimba bwe buti mubujjukira obwo muli ku bino ebyaleero music yaliwo saba kusumbuwa ennyabo oli mulungi tekyebeereka ekyokukutawanya mubujjukira obuyimba
kati olwokwana
music obwo mujjukira omukazi agaana atya ng'oyimbye akayimba
olwokwana soka be ku bino eby'ennaku zino
okoleyoki ogenda kolayoki kiki kona akayimba nga kano oli music ng'ono sabula wulira abo mafumbo situla sound yaegwe kona omukazi nga lwaki tafumba emyaka egyo gyonna emyaka ananga ali waka
kuzina buli kaseera mutubogolera mubogolezi
ate bannaye abakazi mu studio ennyimba akadonka baka akatandika sorry noga bayimbye eyewuja abamu ne bazirika naye nga alaba nolaba tebazirika eswaga lye Kampala awujja tagwa mukulu gwa koma wano
come this one's already banned?
Niba tosanga omusajja omunene alina amaka ge atugogoba ababbi bali wabweru ayogera mu kamoli abanga abayita muveewaawo
Rasta chichitosi mugamba ye rasta kyechuma nanti nina cramps mugamba ye
Mubera muloti munonyansi ku research etabiri no bitudde what are you about
Chumuhendo, find me in the banana plantation. If you don't want, you leave Maziwe. Simple.
For Wednesday ya weekend, you are hitwa MN Travel Magazine. Ne MSTV always.